Change is coming this week to the Lloyd Expressway near USI as part of the Lloyd for You initiative. INDOT says crews will close the ramp from the westbound Lloyd to the University Parkway and the ramp from the Parkway to westbound Lloyd. The pavement work will not affect the eastbound lanes. On Evansville's east side, the redesigned Lloyd-Stockwell Road intersection is expected to open next week. INDOT says the public can attend a pair of interactive open houses this Wednesday at Harper Elementary School to learn more about the displaced left turn. Wesselman Woods has announced a timeline for a major reforestation on the site of a former Par 3 golf course. Executive Director Amy Rhodes says the Wesselman Woods West Meadow should require minimal maintenance by summer 2028. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.